To empower every person and organization on the planet to achieve more, we need intelligent experiences that work seamlessly across powerful devices. One way we're bringing your phone and PC closer together is by integrating Samsung experiences like Reminder with Microsoft apps, like To Do. Say you're on your brand new Galaxy Note. If you get a text message like this one and you want to respond a little bit later, your Note 20 makes it really easy to send a reminder. And same thing here. If you get a call and you want to respond later, not only can you send a reminder, you can also shoot a quick note back. Later, when you're back on your PC, if you wanted to access those reminders, you might have to email yourself or connect them with a USB cable. And that's why I'm excited to announce that we're making them easily accessible in some of your favorite Microsoft apps on your PC. By syncing Samsung Reminder with Microsoft To Do, not only will you see them on the To Do app, they'll also appear in other Microsoft experiences like Outlook on the web. And because it's synced, if you wanted to take it a step further and schedule it as a task, you can do so by dragging and dropping directly on your calendar. With a click, you can see a more detailed view of your tasks where you can return that missed call, or jump back into a web page the same way you would on your phone. And when you check off a task, because there's a two-way sync, it checks it off in Samsung Reminder as well. The integration of native Samsung Galaxy Note 20 experiences and Microsoft services are just some of the ways we're bringing our innovations together.